Did you know that you can upgrade your cruise? We upgraded this cruise to Tokyo from San Diego on the Diamond Princess. We are now located in the middle of the ship, which is going to be a lot better than being in the front of the ship, where we initially were supposed to be for this cruise. Because this cruise is 25 days long across the Pacific Ocean, we always knew in the back of our mind that we had to upgrade or change rooms. Did you know that you can upgrade? Well, we're used to just waiting to board the ship and then asking if there are any other rooms available and then move a day or two later. But this past September 2022, Princess came out with an upgrade opportunity where you can bid on an upgrade. In other words, you can let Princess know just how much you're willing to pay in addition to what you've already paid in order to upgrade the category or location of your room. For this particular sailing, we had originally booked the worst location on the ship, on a balcony, so Princess offered us 3 choices. We could upgrade to a better located balcony, we could upgrade to a mini suite, or upgrade to a better class called Club Class Mini Suite, which guarantees that you'll be in the center of the ship. Only one person in the room should bid, otherwise you'd be bidding against yourself. Also, Princess will let you know if you're a successful bidder by letting you know that your upgrade has been accepted. You will have the day to confirm your acceptance, so you will get one chance to back out if you need to. So, we put in a bid for all 3 offers. Princess will only alert you if your bid is successful, and generally they just upgrade you to the best of your bids and not offer all 3 back. To participate in the Princess Upgrade program, passengers should look for an email invitation sent once they have made their final payment and the payment deadline is passed. The email will prompt them to submit a bid on any room category above the room type they originally booked. With Princess, guests can bid upgrade discounted rate for any category of room with availability, including rooms with picture windows or deluxe balconies, mini suites, and even full suites. The website and everything that I have read says that there's no minimum price, but I find that to be incorrect. They suggest a minimum bid, and you can't change it. Believe me, I tried. So you can't bid $1 or something like that. As I said, passengers can also bid for multiple rooms to increase their chance of success, but only they can win one bid and only get charged once for their upgrade. After that, you cannot change once something's accepted. Bids are based on 2 passengers and 1 cabin. So if one bid is accepted, then all the cabin guests will be upgraded. So once I paid in full for this trip, I was actually sent an email to participate in the upgrade program. So make sure that you read your email from Princess. There'll be a description of the rooms and what to expect so you can calculate if it's worth it for you to bid. Oh, and if you're wondering about the other perks that you may or may not have, none of that goes away. The room upgrade will not affect anything else that you have. We're very happy with our upgrade. We're in the middle of the ship, and ultimately we are paying less than what we would have if we just booked this room in the first place. We also have a bigger room, and hopefully it's less wavy experience for our upgrade. More information about Princess Cruises is available through a professional travel advisor by calling Princess at 1-800-PRINCESS or visiting the company's website at princess.com. Thanks for watching.